Welcome back, everybody. I don't know if we're recording or not. It's the 30th, July, August. Yeah, the 30th. First ride. Oh, look at all this crap in the road. First ride on my Can-Am Spyder. In the last couple weeks because I went out and got married. Yep, so let's try not to talk about marriage and fiance and wife and all that stuff. But I am in San Antonio, Texas. This is Interstate 10 heading, I don't know, out of San Antonio. I don't know if that's toward Houston. I don't know. But yeah, I'm on access road. We are going to be turning left and jumping on yet other access road, because here in Texas, it's weird. They always have these little roads beside the highway. It's a mess. So I need to go to San Antonio. So I'm going the opposite direction for almost a mile and a half to turn to go back the exact same direction, but that's how I have to get on 10. No joke.
Turn left on I-10 frontage road.
Let's wait for this dude. Big rock, big rock. Yep, there we go. Kicked a little sideways. Pull in front of that van. And then we need to get on to 10. And it's telling me 1.1 miles, but all of these ramps and stuff, they change. I don't even know what side. How about we just go right here in the middle? I don't know what side of the road they want me to be on. Sometimes it's this side, sometimes it's this side, so we're just riding in the middle. But yeah, the ramps 210 change. Sometimes it's a mile down the road, sometimes it's just feet down the road, because of all of this construction they're doing in San Antonio. San Antonio is huge. Huge. It's grown a lot. Oh. Now we need to be on this side of the road, and then we come back over to this side of the road, and we meander on through, and yeah, you know, it's a lot of rain, so a lot of debris. And I got a little bit of air on that right front. Gotta love it. Is this one open? Nope, ramp closed. That's just how it is. So I'll just go down past 1604. Yeah. Gonna put me behind a little bit, people, but it's okay. So yeah, I just live over there. Can't see it. And look at the corn. The corn is, they're cutting, harvesting the corn. It's just crazy. It just, I don't know, it blows my mind. So normally back in Ohio, oh, that road went away. People walking on the, this is not where you walk, people. This is not, no. Okay, focus, old man. So normally in the state of Ohio, when it gets about this time of the year, I start to freak out, literally start to freak out, because my riding season's about over with. And I don't. Are you coming over? You got a turn signal? No? You're just driving right in front of me? Okay, perfect. Now they got a turn signal. So, yeah, I start freaking out about this time of year because my riding season's about over with. But I guess I live in a state now where the riding season is all year long, and I am learning what that means, and it's very exciting, and we didn't go anywhere. This sucks. It's gonna be forever to get through this light. That's why it didn't take me this way. but they didn't know, Waze did not know that they closed that ramp. Did they close? Because everybody's jumping back. Yeah, see? Look at that. Everybody is jumping back into this lane. Everything down here is closed, detoured, removed, redone. They are double decking all the highways here. It is crazy how you have to ride in the San Antonio area. Now you get outside of San Antonio and the roads are beautiful. You know, you get it figured out. You know, I'm finding some decent roads finally. You know, it's just part of it. I think they like golf. Can you see the license plate frame? It's a golf club with a golf ball. And then DV means that they have served in the military. Disabled veteran of U.S. Armed Forces. So anything that has a DV, and it doesn't have to be at the end, it could be anywhere in that plate where it says DV, is what that means. So I learned that. That's pretty cool. You can instantly tell. And check out my riding shoes. Yeah, my boots went blook. So I am riding in shoes and it feels quite weird. It's like when I leave the house and I don't have my gloves. It feels quite weird. So I need to get me some riding boots / I like hikers that are above the ankle. That way if I get off the Spyder and want to do, you know, a walk around, a walkabout, I can do that. So any suggestions on some decent, put them down below. Some decent riding shoes and or hikers or whatever. Let me know. 97 degrees. 97 degrees. And I am chilling in traffic. And today we are headed to Fort Sam, Houston. It's off of 35. We're going to get through this light. Light's green. Light's green. Light's yellow. Light's yellow. Light's red, and I'm telling you, this traffic, it's so bad. This vlog is going to be over with before I even get through this light. I should have just came this way. I should have just came that way and turned and been done, but it sent me out of the way, and then I couldn't get on the ramp. I've got 20 minutes to be there. We're gonna go, if you understand what I mean. We are going to open this thing up and go. So what do? I come down to 10 to 410 to 35, and boom, I'm there at Fort Sam. Yeah, that's what we're going to do. I've done some roads. I got to post the video. Hopefully it turns out good. I took my 360, I mounted it here, and I made it go forward. We'll see. We'll see what it looks like. I can't believe we are just chilling. No longer do we have the nice back roads of southern Ohio with no traffic. I'm learning to be patient, and I still find roads where there's not a lot of cars, to be honest with you. 2.6 million people in this town. You know, you just gotta look for them. And we are buying a new house, so it will be another set of new roads, and it's horrible for me to say because it doesn't, you know, hopefully this house is in a location that I can get to roads a little easier. This is not a bad location. We're in the Converse area. I can get to roads pretty quick. We're right on the edge. So, you know, we'll see. I'll keep everybody informed. We'll discover new roads together. Okay, look at that green light. And cars are still running it.